These are challenging times physically, emotionally, and financially for so many people around. We all have to play our part and come out of this as true winners. It's a national responsibility now not to do irresponsible things and not to fall sick. What will help us is our independent will to strive to survive this challenging time. We need to be supercharged even in these challenging times. Our predominant thoughts should be positive, and we should look at this pandemic as a turning point in our life. For this, we need an anchor which charges us, keeps us positive, makes us strong, and also protects us from this disease. And I strongly believe exercise does magic. The feeling of well-being that arises after moving our body consciously is phenomenal. Plus, all the latest studies have also proven that exercise avoids hospitalization, and also it makes the vaccine works efficiently. Just follow these simple tips and let's defeat this virus. First, commit to move. Few minutes a day, whether it's 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, but commit to move. That's the time you need to commit. Your body has to move consciously. So commit to move. 2, start and stick to basics. Walk, run, push up, jumping jacks, skipping, cycle, spot jogging, walking inside your house, walking around your vicinity, anything. Go back to school time. See what exercise you used to do in those drills. Go back to basics and stick to basics. 3, focus. This is your time. Focus on your breathing. When you focus on your breathing consciously, automatically the focus becomes your body. So focus. 4, be consistent. Consistency is the name of the game and not intensity. Don't focus on the intensity, focus on consistency. Whatever time you give, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but do it daily. Enjoy. I always say that when you go on exercise, feel like you're going on a date with your own self. So feel good, get excited, visualize having a great time, look good, and feel you're going on a date with your own self. This is the best investment of your entire day. And yes, please stay away from that phone and refrain from talking to a third person. Your body needs that time. Imagine you're going on a date with your own self. So your body should be the top priority. 6, sit in silence. Maybe just after your exercise session, just sit down, close your eyes, and just enjoy the seat of silence. Visualize your future, design your own destiny. It really works. So let's take personal responsibility to stay fit and not to fall sick. There is a magic wonder called exercise, and let's implement it. Let's defeat this virus together, and we'll come as true winners very soon. Loving you so much.